guys, today I just want you guys to see these numerous ways black women can wear their short hairstyles. One thing with this style today is that from the beginning of this video to the end of this video, you're going to see the general preferences, like why beautiful women out there want to go for short hairstyles. Some go for short hairstyle because of their fashion boldness. Some goes for short hairstyles because of their facial structure. Some also go for those because of their hair length and volume. Some also go because it's a low maintenance style, among many other factors. So I just want you guys to know that short hair is just arguably one of the most popular ways for you to wear your hair. And I want you guys to see the best short natural haircut for beautiful black women today. Like for the beautiful women, the matured women, you can see these beautiful pixies. Sometimes you can turn your short, salt and peppered hair to this blonde. And sometimes too, I just want you guys to see the review of this hair. This hair is made by Barbero Diego. We all know he's based in Brazil, and he's another guy that knows how to barb very well, how to style, and he knows the right product to use on any texture or kind of hair. I just want you guys to just take a good look and see how the review of this hair will look on this beautiful woman. And one thing with this style is that what I want you guys to notice here is that the hair is a kind of hair that will take many years of our age. So one thing with short hairstyles is that it will definitely make you look 20 years younger. So that is why I always say short hairstyles is for the beautiful, matured women. Whether your hair is salt and peppered or whether you have the gray hair, it will suit you. Take a good look on this. Even the color, this is a natural hair color, so the coils, how it's been defined. And I've always talked about using some good products, like I've tried Mio, and Mio is another good product that can give you this kind of defined coils, unless you have the natural coils on your hair. Mio comes with this beautiful coil and hair that will make your hair look this defined. We also have the cover stones, but Mio is one good product that I know is the best. We also have the coil sauce, we also have the dogs, and these are not expensive. Like in the market, you can get it within $7 to $20 out there in the market. Isn't this hair looking so gorgeous? It's looking so beautiful. You can see the joy in her face to the extent of even hugging Barbie. So in today's video, that's how we have about 15 beautiful videos that will really want to motivate you and give you that inspirational ideas on how you can start your short natural haircut. Another beautiful woman that want to go for this picture. I just want you guys to see how she was before, and you have to see her after. So just mark this face, and I want you guys to also see what she will look like after the haircut. This Barbero of a guy is a guy that knows how to barb very well. That is why you can see people over there in Brazil are going for the big job, and you can see how it always fits them. One might think that short hairstyles are boring. One might even think maybe they will lack flair, like when they go for the short haircut. But nothing could be further from the truth. Like when you see numerous black women like this woman, like one you've already watched and the one you are here to see, like you can see them wearing these short hairstyles, and you will stare for yourself that they are looking amazing. Isn't this hair amazing? So one thing I want you guys to know is that this hairstyle you're seeing, it requires those less products, and you can see it for yourself in manipulations, because this hairstyle, you can see that it reduces breakage and it will always promote healthy hair growth. So I just want you guys to just take a good look at this beautiful trended short natural haircut for beautiful black women. Let me know your mind on how you feel about the cuts. I appreciate every one of you, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video. Guys, this is my new look. Okay, so these are just the simple ways you can style your hair right in the house.